we have to locate the vehicle's OBD-II port. And that OBD-II port on this vehicle, the Chevy Colorado, is located right here on the left-hand side, right directly below the dash on the driver's side of the vehicle. We've located the OBD-II port. Now we need to plug the programmer into that OBD-II port so that it can power up the actual programmer itself. Now we need to obtain the vehicle's security seed key. We have the programmer already plugged in down here on the OBD-II port. We're going to go to the programmer, hit the right scroll button, and we're going to go over to Vehicle Info. As you can see, it's highlighted on the Vehicle Info, so we're going to press Select. Then we're going to go over to scroll left to where it says Read Vehicle Info and highlight that. We press Select. Now it says Turn key on, do not start the engine. You don't want to start it, but just to where everything lights up on the dash. But now we want to press Select. And as you can see on the screen, it says Vehicle Info, and so right now it's reading the information from the manufacturer's electronic control module. It has a status bar and it tells you the progress of it. So right now it's saying unlocking ECM, but it's missing the security key. So that means we have to now take the programmer, back it up, and gain the security seed from the manufacturer. Now that we've gained the vehicle information, which is stored on this programmer, we need to back up this programmer to with our Derive Sync app located on your computer desktop. By opening that up, we'll back up the programmer, go out and gain the seed key, and we will then wait for confirmation that the seed key is ready for us to re-back up the computer, and then we can have all the information to be able to program the vehicle. So first I'm going to open up the Derive Sync software. Then I'm going to plug in using a USB cord that has on one side for the computer and a square end on the other side that will connect to the back end or the bottom end of the programmer. So first I'm going to plug in to the laptop, and then I'm going to put our USB cable into the bottom of the programmer. And before we do anything else, we want to wait for the three icons to appear on the screen. Now that we have that, and I have the Derive Sync app open, I'm going to check for programming tool updates. During this part, it's going to go through and it's actually backing up the device now to our servers. And because this vehicle needs to have a security key, there is going to be a pop-up that comes up on the Derive Sync app, and it's basically, it states update notification information. So it's asking you to put in your email address. Once you've entered your email address, you click Continue. All right, now at this point, we're going to wait for an email to come back to us saying that the seed key is available and it's ready to back up the programmer again to transfer it from the computer now into the programmer. All right, we have received an email stating that there's an update ready. I'm going to click on that email. This is the page that you're going to see showing that the device is ready to be backed up. It gives you your request number and also gives the VIN number of the vehicle that we just got the update for. So now we're going to go back to the Derive Sync software, and now we're going to check for programming tool updates. Now the information is being transferred from the server to the device that will allow us to program the vehicle. It has status bars on there as well, so you can check the progress, and it will let you know when it's done. And as you can see here, it says that everything is up to date and we're ready to program the vehicle. So you can unplug the USB port and from the end of the programmer, and we're ready to program.